Myself Sarda from Photo News Times. The Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation, Training and Research celebrated its monumental 15th Foundation Day on February 2025. This remarkable milestone represented a century of committed dedication in transforming the lives of persons with disabilities through education, rehabilitation, employability and advocacy. The event took place at its premises in Olatpur, Cuttack, Odisha. The celebration was graced by Manoj Ahuja, Chief Secretary, Government of Odisha, as the chief guest of the occasion, and Deepak Rautrai, Additional Secretary of SSEPD, as the guest of honor. Director Dr. Patitapavan Mohanty along with Deputy Directors of the Institute were also present on the occasion. The event commenced with the traditional as occupants lighting of a lamp of symbolic start that reflect its mission to spread the knowledge. The event commenced with the traditional and auspicious lighting of the lamp, a symbolic start that reflects its mission to spread the knowledge, inclusion and empowerment for the person as disabilities. The event featured an insightful inaugural address by the chief guest along with the speeches from the dignitaries who have played key roles in advocating for the person with disability in Odisha. Addressing the function, Chief Secretary said, "The organization has attached its name in the annals of the rehabilitation, not just an institution but as a beacon of hope and a catalyst for change. Dedication, compassion and expertise of the doctors and those who are associated with the service in this institution have made a profound difference in the lives of countless individuals." He put forward these institutes continue to flourish, innovate and set a new benchmark in the field of rehabilitation. Following the speechless, attendees enjoyed a cultural program that showcased the incredible talents of the PWDS students and staffs of the institute. The event also included a distribution of awards and appliances to the PWDS and prize distribution ceremony honoring the winners of the various competitions.